Hi there everybody, my name is Ali and today I will be going to solve OS command injection lab number 2 from Web Security Academy, and this one is blind OS command injection with time delays. And the reason why this comes in is that the simple case is not too much interesting and it cannot be found out right now in the latest frameworks and latest web applications because modern libraries are very hard and they are secure as well. So doing a simple command injection and expecting out that we will get command execution easily, that is not the case nowadays. So we need to find out blind injection techniques and those sort of things, which we will learn in today's video. So that being said, let's jump in. Now coming over here, the second lab is blind OS command injection with time delays, and coming to this lab, it says this lab contains a blind OS command injection vulnerability in the feedback function. And to solve the lab, exploit the OS command injection vulnerability to cause a 10-second delay. Now to do these, there are a few techniques now because this lab says we need to make a delay. So we need to sleep the website, or we can try to ping any IP address for 10 seconds or 20 seconds to see whether we can execute our command or no. So blind injection, and if I click on, there is the submit feedback button right over here. So it requires 4 fields. So again, I will switch my burp suite on. And let's put anything random, test at test.com, test and submit the feedback. And hopefully it should come over here in my burp suite. If I send this request to repeater, control shift R, control space, and I am having nothing in the output. So I think so the feedback is getting submitted. So now I need to test all these name, email, subject and message parameters for command injection one by one. So if I try to do who am I now, definitely this will not show me onto my screen. So I'm not working. One more thing which I can try to do is or sign. This is called or sign, which I can try to do who am I, but it will not work. So we need to try something called blind injection. So what I can try to do is I can do semicolon, ping, and because it says we need to delay for 10 seconds, so I will say ping dash c10, and I will do localhost right now to see what happens. So since I need to URL encode this one, there are spaces, so control U, and this one is URL encoded, and I will copy this payload to so that I can use it in the next parameters as well. So send, and doesn't do anything. So I can try some bypasses as well. So I can try and it will make it a new parameter. So if I do or, it doesn't work, and doesn't work, simple and doesn't work. So this might not work. So let's move on to the next parameter, and this is an email parameter. So these are interesting things because most of the people doesn't go through the email parameter because they say the email format is not one. So when I did this thing, it says could not save. So there is something strange. If I try to do something called or doesn't work. If I do and doesn't work. If I do simple and doesn't work. One more thing which I just forgot right over here is that because I am passing out, let's say in the beginning, I am doing something sort of semicolon, right? So what happens is that there are some other parameters which are coming ahead as well. So I need to end this command with another semicolon as well. So semicolon at the end as well. And there you go. I think so it does work. If I come back, lab not solved. And there you go. The lab got solved. Yeah, so what actually the case scenario in this case was that if I come back over here, let's say if I type in who am I, then if I try to do semicolon, then if I do pwd, and then if I try to do id, this will give error because the first one got executed correctly, but the next two ones are not working. These are the ones where I want to see the output, and the reason is that I'm missing the semicolon after the output. So this is what in the beginning and in the end you should do semicolon or any other operators, and then it should give us all of the outputs. So if I come back over here, I can try different things as well. So if I try to do or I think so it should work as well. So or in the beginning, or in the end send, and this one is also having a time delay of 10 seconds. So this completes the lab as well. And yeah, that was all about this video. I hope you will like it, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.